Hi everyone, welcome to Useful Genetics Part 2. This is the overview video for Module 7, where we'll be talking about everything you need to know about how genes are passed from one generation to another. We'll start with the simple form of cell division called mitosis, which is an asexual reproduction mechanism that simply makes new copies of existing cells. And then we'll build on this understanding to understand a more complicated form of cell division called meiosis. This is the cell division that produces the gametes that then go on to produce the next generation. This we'll spend quite a bit of time on because it's so central to understanding everything else we're going to do. Then we'll spend a few generations talking about the other component to inheritance, which is what happens when the gametes come together. And we'll build our understanding to be able to predict how alleles are passed from one generation to the next. We'll then spend a couple of lectures thinking about inheritance, thinking backwards about how we inherit alleles from our ancestors. And finally, we'll spend one lecture on how the sex chromosomes are inherited, because these do things differently than the other chromosomes. Coming up next is Lecture 7a, and I'll just let this little video run. It shows the steps of the simple cell division called mitosis, which is the process whose mechanisms we'll be pulling apart for you in Lecture 7a and 7b. I hope to see you there.